All right, let's talk about life insurance. It's not exactly the sexiest topic, I know, but it's important. And you know what's becoming increasingly important in the world of life insurance? Data. Think about it. Life insurance companies use data to determine everything. How risky you are to insure. Data. How much your premiums should be. Data. Whether you get approved for a policy at all. You guessed it, data. This isn't some Orwellian nightmare, though. Well, it's not necessarily an Orwellian nightmare. The point is, good data helps insurance companies make fair and accurate decisions. It's how they keep things running smoothly. But here's the kicker. Data is only useful if it's accurate, reliable, and, actually exists. That's where data governance comes in. Data governance. Sounds boring, right? Like something a bunch of accountants would talk about at a company picnic. But trust me, it's way more exciting than that. Think of data governance as like a set of rules for your data. Where does it come from? How is it processed? Who's in charge of it? Is it easy to access? And most importantly, is it accurate? These are all questions that data governance helps answer. It's about making sure your data is organized, protected, and used responsibly. Because if your data is a mess, your business is a mess, and nobody wants that. Now you might be thinking, this data governance thing sounds complicated. Who's in charge of all this? Well, that's where our data heroes come in. The Chief Data Officer and the Data Engineering Lead. Think of the Chief Data Officer as the conductor of the data orchestra. They set the strategy, make sure everyone's playing the right tune, and keep the whole data operation running smoothly. The Data Engineering Lead is like the stage manager, making sure all the technical stuff is working properly. They build the pipelines, optimize the systems, and keep the data flowing. Together, these data wizards are responsible for implementing and maintaining data governance policies. They're the guardians of your data, fighting to keep it clean, safe, and reliable. But let's be real, managing data is a huge job. You need the right tools for the job, right? That's where things like Amazon Redshift come in. Amazon Redshift is a cloud-based data warehouse. Think of it like a giant, super-organized filing cabinet for all your data. It helps you store, analyze, and make sense of massive amounts of information. With tools like Amazon Redshift, businesses can streamline their data governance processes and make sure they're getting the most out of their data. And that's the goal, really. To use data effectively and responsibly to make better decisions, improve efficiency, and ultimately, make people's lives better. Because data, when used correctly, has the power to do a lot of good in the world, even when it comes to something as seemingly mundane as life insurance.